Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I want to change, but I don't know where to start? Maybe you've been waiting for the perfect time, waiting for the perfect gym, waiting for the perfect motivation. But what if the transformation you want doesn't start in a gym at all? What if it starts right where you are, in your own home? Today, we're building your body at home, fast, the smart way, the sustainable way. And this is a full home workout plan designed especially for beginners who want real results without confusion, without expensive equipment, and without overwhelming routines. Picture this. You wake up feeling stronger. You walk with more confidence. Your clothes fit better. Your energy feels different. That version of you isn't months away in some distant future. It begins with simple actions repeated consistently. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take those first steps. Let's begin with something important. Building your body at home isn't about chasing perfection. It's about building momentum. When you remove the commute, the crowded spaces, and the pressure of comparison, you create space for focus. At home, it's just you and your commitment. For beginners, the biggest mistake isn't doing too little, it's trying to do too much too soon. You don't need complex machines, you don't need advanced techniques. Your body weight is more than enough to start transforming your strength, endurance, and muscle tone. The foundation of this home workout plan is simple: push, pull, squat, hinge, and core. These movement patterns train your entire body efficiently. Instead of isolating one small muscle at a time, you'll activate multiple muscle groups together. That's how beginners build strength faster and more naturally. Let's talk about your weekly structure. You're going to train your full body on non-consecutive days. This gives your muscles time to recover and grow. Recovery isn't laziness, it's where progress happens. When you rest, your body rebuilds stronger than before. Each workout session will include a warm-up, a main workout phase, and a short finisher that challenges your stamina. The goal is to leave each session feeling accomplished, not exhausted beyond reason. Your warm-up sets the tone. Start with gentle movement to wake up your joints and muscles. Arm circles to loosen your shoulders, light squats to warm your legs, hip rotations to prepare your lower body, a slow jog in place, or jumping jacks to raise your heart rate. This part should feel energizing, not draining. You're preparing your body for effort. Now we move into the main workout. The first key movement is the push-up. If a full push-up feels too challenging, begin with your knees on the floor or hands elevated on a sturdy surface like a table or countertop. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. Focus on controlled movement. Lower yourself with intention. Press back up with strength. Quality over speed. Next comes the body weight squat. This is one of the most powerful beginner exercises because it trains your largest muscle groups. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Sit back as if you're lowering into a chair. Keep your chest lifted and your knees aligned with your toes. Stand up strong. Squats build your legs and glutes while also increasing overall calorie burn. Then we add a hinge movement, such as the glute bridge. Lie on your back, feet flat on the floor, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top, lower with control. This movement strengthens the back of your body, which is essential for posture and injury prevention. For your pulling motion, beginners at home can use a resistance band if available. If not, you can perform towel rows using a secure anchor point like a sturdy door, ensuring safety first. Pull your elbows back and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pulling movements balance out push-ups and help create strong, stable shoulders. Now let's train your core. A plank is simple but powerful. Place your forearms on the floor, extend your legs behind you, and hold your body in a straight line.
Engage your abdominal muscles and breathe steadily. Core strength is not about visible abs alone. It's about stability, balance, and protecting your spine. You'll cycle through these movements with controlled repetitions. Take short rest breaks between exercises. Focus on maintaining good form. Now, let's address mindset. At some point, motivation will dip. That's normal. The key is building discipline. Discipline means showing up even when you don't feel like it. It means starting the warm-up even when your energy feels low. Often, once you begin, momentum carries you forward. Halfway through your journey, something powerful happens. You start noticing changes not just in your body, but in your mindset. You stand taller. You feel more capable. You realize you can push through discomfort. And this is your secondary breakthrough moment. Because here's the truth. Most people never start, and among those who start, many stop too soon. But if you're still watching, you're different. You're looking for structure. You're looking for clarity. You're ready to commit.
So let's take this to the next level. After a few weeks of consistent full-body workouts, you can split your focus slightly. One day emphasizes lower body and core. Another day emphasizes upper body and core. This allows you to increase training volume while still recovering properly. On lower body days, you can add lunges. Step forward, lower your back knee toward the floor, and push through your front heel to return. Lunges challenge balance and coordination while sculpting your legs and glutes. You can also add wall sits. Lean against a wall with knees bent and hold the position. This builds muscular endurance and mental toughness. On upper body days, experiment with different push-up variations. Narrow hand placement shifts more emphasis to your triceps. Wider hand placement challenges your chest differently. If you have light dumbbells or household items like water bottles, you can perform shoulder presses and rows. Remember, progression doesn't mean jumping to extreme intensity. It means steady growth. Now let's talk about speed. When we say build body fast, we don't mean shortcuts. We mean efficient habits. Fast results come from eliminating inconsistency. They come from training regularly, fueling properly, sleeping well, and avoiding the cycle of starting and stopping. Some reports suggest that beginners can experience noticeable strength gains within a relatively short period when following a structured routine. These early improvements are often due to your nervous system becoming more efficient at recruiting muscles. In simple terms, your body learns how to use its strength better. And that's exciting, because it means you may feel stronger before you even see dramatic physical changes. That strength builds the foundation for visible muscle tone. Let's also address common fears. You might wonder, what if I'm not fit enough? That's exactly why this plan works. It meets you where you are. Every movement can be modified. Every session can be adjusted to your pace. You might worry about space. You only need a small area to move safely. A clear section of your room is enough. You might worry about time. These workouts are designed to be efficient. When you remove travel time and waiting time, home training becomes incredibly practical. And here's something deeper. Building your body at home builds self-reliance. You're not dependent on external conditions. Rain or shine, busy or calm, you have the tools within your own space. As weeks pass, your endurance improves. You recover faster between sets. You notice that exercises that once felt impossible now feel manageable. That's progress. But don't let comfort stall you. Continue challenging yourself gently. Add pauses at the bottom of squats. Slow down your push-ups. Extend your plank by a few breaths. Growth happens just beyond your comfort zone. Before we close, take a moment to imagine yourself months from now. You're stronger, more energetic, more confident. You didn't rely on expensive memberships. You didn't wait for perfect circumstances. You started at home. You followed a clear plan. You stayed consistent. That future version of you is built by the small decision you make today. So here's your next step.
Clear a space. Commit to your first session. Focus on good form. Stay patient. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Adjust gradually. And most importantly, keep going. If this plan helped clarify your path, let me know by liking this video. It tells me you're serious about your goals. Subscribe to the channel for more practical fitness guidance designed to keep things simple and effective. And in the comments, share where you're starting from and what your goal is. Your journey might inspire someone else to begin theirs. Remember, transformation doesn't start in a gym. It starts with a decision. And today, that decision can be yours.